Hello people. Hello people. In this video, I want to share my knowledge and my experience in this field. Yes, I know I'm a junior advocate. I don't have much experience till this day, but still I can tell few things about my experience from college to the court hall. At very first thing, both college and this court hall teach you one thing in common: don't believe anyone, even that person is your friend. That was the thing. I'm This is not a scripted one, this is coming out from my heart, okay? Then what I want to tell particularly about this journey is what I've studied in college is not completely related to what I am getting experienced in court, okay? In college I studied sections, I've studied reference case laws, these and all I've studied. But in court hall it is completely different. So what I'm telling is, at first you need to have a better drafting knowledge from the third year itself. You need to go to court from third year. This is what I want to say. And the second most thing is you have to attend a lot of moot courts. I never got a good team in moot. That was my only problem till this date. And also, if you are a school student or if you are a UG graduate, I would suggest you to go for CLAT, and you should write CLAT exam and get good marks and get selected in National Law University. There where you get a better moot exposure. And also, if you are a student of National Law University, you will get recognized everywhere. You will be getting recognized in all the firms. If you have a good score in your college, no need to have a question. You will be minimum getting paid 50,000 in the internship itself. And another thing I want to say is you need to build a network, which is not easy for everyone, because learning something through books is easy, but having and building a strong contact base is comparatively so difficult than anything else in this field. Once you have a good connectivity, if you have a good network, you can have a good fame when you win a particular case. If you win one case, if you win 10 case, that will reach to your network, that will get you 100 number of cases. So these and all I wanted to talk about why you should practice with these knowledges. When I was a student of law, everyone is a student of law, no matter who it is. Even he is practicing for 75 years, he will say I'm a student of law. But when you are in particular in college, when you are undergoing and the process, you need to understand the nature of this field, okay? So these and all I want to share, and some more facts I want to talk. The net other than this, you can enjoy your life. Other than this, you can enjoy every day. And another thing I've learned in my college, the very most important thing, you should never expose yourself. You expose your level of knowledge. Even you are a pro, you should not express your knowledge out of law field. Even if you have knowledge in law field, you are not supposed to expose it very soon. And you should have a good name and faith in from your staffs. And also you should be a good attentive person in your class, and also you should learn everything new, every new thing in a law day by day. That will make you as a good advocate. If you see nowadays, once it is happened in north, there were a lot of people were studying law. It is happening in Tamil Nadu now. There were a lot of people. Once upon a time there were only one enrollment per year. They can't even accumulate 1,000 number even in 1 year. But if you see now, every month there are thousands of advocates getting enrolled every month. Last year it was like this year there are 2 enrollment per month. This is what happening nowadays. So there is a heavier competition in this field. So you need to keep these things what I've told earlier in your mind, okay, so that you can have a good, healthy and a prominent success in your field. You can think about, you can framework your success from your law college itself if you follow these things. And there are a lot of things to talk about. So these and all are the things which is coming from me inside. This is not a planned one or anything. I just took the camera and started recording it. I wanted to post a video. That was the plan. But what I'm saying is not a plan. This is not a script. So people, you need to get motivated regularly, and some people may guide you to, some people may say, if you want to build a network, you need to socialize yourself, you need to drink, you need to do this, you need to do that, you don't need to do these all things. These things will make you weaker only. These things will never make you strong, believe me. Everything you need is knowledge. That's all, nothing more than that. And I'm going to make a lot of drafting, because I've never have a good exposure in drafting from my college days. Nowadays only I'm learning drafting. You can see I'm buying books. I don't believe in AI things. I don't want to go for AI, because AI can make me a draft. Okay, if I ask for 12 pages, 15 pages, that can make. But if I don't have this knowledge, I can't even find that whether the draft which I got from AI is correct or not. So that I'm avoiding AI completely in this field. I don't want to go with AI. Though it makes things easier, I will never go for AI. Maybe if they make a good AI that will never make a mistake, if possibly, I can go for that. But for now, I will never go for AI, and I wish I have a better knowledge in drafting, because when you go because as a fresh advocate, you need a lot of drafting skill at first, because if you are getting selected in any law firms, they will check your drafting skills. They will check your marks first, but second most thing they need is a good drafting skill. And the third skill is, no good law firm will never let their fresher advocate to make an argument before the court. Even in traditional practice, even in these firms, even as a panel advocate, if you want to become a panel advocate also, they will never let you to argue. Okay, if you're one of the member in the panel, they will let you to go for drafting only. They will never let you argue in this thing. So you need to have a good drafting knowledge at first, because drafting decides the case. And some people got this quality naturally. They have a very bold voice. Their way of speech is so bold, like it was very strong. The statements they make, no matter it is a right statement or a wrong statement, but their statement makes the difference. If you got that quality naturally, that is very good. You no need to think about, you already you got a pass mark in this field. Yes, you have to concentrate on these things too, but this is a natural thing, special quality that you got from your birth from your nature. This is a natural skill that you got. And one more thing I'm going to say is going to moot and make connections. If you are going to moot, means you have to meet your co-students. Okay, you have to meet co-legal students from all over India. You should make a contact, you should make a network of people. That gives you a lot of knowledge. If you have a good discussion with people, you will get a lot of knowledge. See, if I'm studying a one particular book, I can get 10 things from that. If I'm talking, yes, book gives a lot of knowledge, but if I'm having a good knowledge people around me, I can learn a lot. Not only me, even you. If you have a lot of knowledgeable people, if you are making a lot of knowledgeable people from your mood, you can have a contact with them. You can learn a lot of things from them. They will teach you what they have studied. If they are not a cunning person, they will teach you what they have studied. You will teach them what you studied, so your level of knowledge will get increased. So you should have a good connection. You should be friendly. Okay. And another thing is, you should select your field. Okay. So if you're going for civil practice or criminal practice, you should set your nature from here itself. If you're going to practice in district court, if you're going to be a criminal advocate, you need to be so social with your criminals too. There where you get your criminals, your clients, sorry, your clients trust. And also, if you are being friendly with them, you will be their uh, permanent advocate. If you want a code for civil practice, it takes a lot of time, because uh, when civil matter comes, experience speaks a lot. Even in criminal matters, there are petty cases. Even in civil, when it comes to civil cases, they will not come for court for 50,000 or 30,000 thing. They will come minimum for 1 lakh. So you need to have a good name. You need to build your reputation, and you need to be friendly with them also, but not in the sense as the criminal advocate. I hope you can imagine what I'm saying. And one more thing is, you need to select a good senior. This is completely luck based. Okay, if you have a good senior who teaches you everything, if you have a good senior who trusts you, you don't need to worry about anything. If your senior believes you, you are you are making something good. If your senior is talking to you good, and but he don't want to take risk, means all you can learn is from you just watch him and learn. Okay, if he has a good reputation, you just watch how he speaks, how he treat his clients, how he treats, how he talks before the court. Like that, you have to learn from him. And if you are not selecting a good senior, like if you are selecting a senior who don't have a knowledge, or he don't have a much experience, means uh, mostly you will select a minimum experience of 5 years, a senior with 5 years. If you're going like that, means that will be friendly. Even you can learn from them, but that will be friendly but the respect that you give to your senior will be lacking because he's just 5 years elder to you, right? So the respect that you give will be not much. There will be friendly bonding. Yes, if you want to have a friendly bonding, you should select a senior like that, but I don't suggest that. And these are the simple facts that I want to discuss today. I was about to make some editing here, but I have not. And these are the basic things that you have to know before joining law. Even after joining law, if you are about to start practice, these things you should know. So that's all. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, okay? And if you like this video, don't forget to give a like. Thank you guys. Bye.